know if you guys can hear me through my headphones. What's up? Hi. Hello, everybody. Hello, Super Pro. Hello, Mark Manico. My girl got them for me. Sweet treats. Yeah, because I'm in a gym. And sometimes you can hear me perfect. So that means that my headphones are actually picking it up. For my birthday, one of my friends wanted to give me a gift her way, so that's why I got jeans. Other than that, guys, you know I'm on my heels. Do some push-ups. I'm gonna do some. My sneakers are a kid's 4.5. Hello, hun. Hi, sexy mama bear. Hey, what's up? mzsadie10. Yeah, that's the name I'm used to seeing you as. Hi, Mr. Discreet. I love seeing you guys. And a lot of you ride the web with me and you have different names and then I know your real name. So sometimes you guys make me work triple time. Shermanator. You can wear all the kids' shoes. Yes. These are cute though. They're kind of fun. So I'm at the gym. The last workout that you guys saw, I was at home in my gym. But I go to gyms. I have memberships. I get around. I like to switch up my atmosphere because it switches up my energy and therefore I'm never bored. Shermanator. Hi, Wydrick. Hello. So this is a gym broadcast. It probably won't be as popular as the one at home in the little bikini, the bikini workout, but it's still fun. I am in public. There's people around. So this is to give you more real life because I'm in public, you know. Stretch. A little downward dog in the corner never hurts nobody. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna do, we're on Periscope today, so let's chat about that. We're gonna do some push-ups, but I'm gonna do them on my knees. And a lot of times if women have injuries, well, okay, let me get it straight. In the past, they used to say for women, this is the type of push-up you would do. But because of personal training and stuff, and there's so many injuries in the world, hello, Boulevard. There's so many injuries, it kind of crosses over to everyone because it's not more a strength factor, it's all about gaining your strength. So you just have to have your knees, sure you work hard on your knees, heels down. And just like a regular push-up, you gotta bend, try to touch your chest to the mat. So we're gonna do that now. Hello, David, New York. I see my New York emoji there. Super pro, everybody that's here watching. Thank you. Still, just take your time, go nice and slow. This is really good if you are trying to regain strength, if you've had an injury, or if you're going to have some type of physical therapy. This is another way to come back to life. Just take your time with it. And of course this one. Gym power, that's right. Oh, mi amor. Thank you. You guys know as well, I'm also a 2019 Sweet Sweat Squad ambassador. So I do got my Sweet Sweat bag with me. And if you are ever interested, there's a discount code that can save you a little moolah, and the code is mzsadie10. So if you go to sweetsweat.com, you can actually save some money. It's kind of cool. But they give back to my friends. Hola, mi amor. Gracias. I've been working out at home. I'm going to start working out. Yeah, that's what you can do. And you work out in multiple places. Like I have the gym at my house, and then I have a couple other memberships because I like to get around. But I like to stay like interested. That's why I have Club Sadie. I like to stay interested and do things that like it's all about environment sometimes. Hey, gracias mi amor, gracias a todos. But I haven't done Zumba in a long time. Zumba's like dancing, but like a workout. So I mainly do cardio. I like to run. I just ran. I did a J20 workout. Just doing some extra and thought about you guys. My face is itchy. You're really happy. Thanks. Well, so nice to see you. Everyone go out and give a shout out. Swift, please drop some music emojis. Go ahead and give a shout out to Swift Beats. That is my music partner from London. We've done 2 songs together. So nice to see him on the broadcast right now. So go ahead, Swift, drop some music emojis. Everyone follow Swift. You gotta tell me there's gonna be another song for 2019. Are we gonna do another one? I need something with a little Latin flair because some of my broadcasters, they really love the Spanish that I did on the last song. Mzsadie la reina, la chica más bella. Recuerdas esta cara, me llamo mzsadie, no preocupes, solista. So, I think if we do a nice little sexy song, R&B, with a Latin flair, it's gonna be hot. We can get some people out there on Periscope that rap and stuff, and maybe we can do it. Yes, Mom. Yeah, why not? We gotta put our passion what we like. So, all I know is see and hola. Thank you guys. Who rules the world? We rule the world. Global takeover continues. Thank you. Oh yes, I'm ready. Gracias. And then there's a lot of languages that I don't know. Vos de mamá, uy. That sounds cool. What is it, Thursday? It's the middle of the day. Yeah, it's still early, right? Hola, amor, Omar. Hi, Omar. Yes, we got this. Man, it's so hot. I did my J20 though. Una reina, sí. Es la verdad. I broke a nail today. You guys know I have natural nails. So now I falta una. Now, hi Charles, loves you. Now I broke my nail, so I got 9 nails. 9.5. That's how real it is right now. Delaware Park. Do some good horse racing there. So guys, I finished my J20 workout. I ran. I like to run. That's my favorite form of exercise for my body. And I broke a nail. You broke one too, or you like to run? Which one? J20, mzsadie20, MC20. Yeah, just 20 minutes of anything fun to get your cardiovascular system. Yeah, I love to run. You're gonna come from London to run? Yeah, I take vitamins, it'll grow. But I'm just saying, you don't see natural anymore. Like those are super long. Oops. I like to run. I like to go at a nice pace. Isn't this a beautiful background? I'm gonna go off and take a photo. That way we can post it because it's so nice. The elliptical's good too. I like both. But today I did my running. Treadmill, yeah. still breathing, like a little heavy, because the run was good. I pushed myself. Oh, thank you so much. So you love me. Gracias. Thank you, Chris. Thank you, everyone, for all the hearts. I appreciate you guys. Kevin, thank you so much. Work the glutes. Yes, I'm tightening it right now. Go ahead, guys, and you can share this podcast if you have a moment. Just press the share button. I've been working a few projects. Oh, yes. Yeah, the plastic that's in the ocean is so bad, and the thing, yeah, it looks like a music video. That's why I picked it. I always find the best place. The scenery, I think, because I've had a TV show and production, I always think like, what will look good? But back to the pollution and plastic, the sad thing is that it gets into the fish eat them, and it's harmful. And then, thank you for inviting your followers. I appreciate it, doesn't matter how big or small. Someone just joined. Welcome. So plastics get to the fish, and then that fish is like kind of sent all over the world. So yes, I am an alternative reality. When you scope, how do you figure out the environment that would be good to film? Well, if I ask permission, it's normally granted, and people don't really bother me. But I look at the scenery, make sure things aren't messy. I don't like mess. You will never see any broadcast or video and there's like a messy room or anything, because I don't like clutter. So I just keep a clean house. So it's always scope ready or broadcast ready or video ready. It's just one of my pet peeves in life is junk. I don't like it. I don't like it. No me gusta. But this is a nice clean area. I'm on the floor. I'm in the gym. I just got my gear. Someone asked me to do boots, so we are now. Oh yeah. Clear. If you're gonna film something, think about TV. Like, make sure it looks good. Like, you should just automatically declutter. That way you're always ready. Hey Barbie fan, welcome. It's your first day of birthday. Hello, someone else. Iron. Sadie, I love you no matter how bad my situation can be. That won't ever change you. Love is great. Yeah, because we make music. Simple and clean. Yep. What's wrong with a little clean house? So now we're gonna go like this. Do the other side. This is kind of like a plank because my hands are like forced into the ground, and now I'm just lifting up and like. Welcome if it's your first day in Periscope. Yes, resistance. It's like a plank. Yep, just like that. There it is. So, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. This is fun. I like being in your world. I'm gonna take some photos. Like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just like that. You guys take a picture with you. Ready? Get your cameras out. Screenshot. Time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready? Ready? Who's ready for a photo? Come on, come on. Yeah. Anybody? There we go. Nice. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Thank you guys. I love you. Have a wonderful afternoon. I'm going to do a little more because I'm not done. And I'll see you soon. I appreciate you. Add me on Instagram, mzsadie10. Oh, you clean with the J's on. Sweet. Gotta be stylish. guys. Thank you again. Thanks, Swift. Love you. Authority to love you. Superville, love you. Thank you guys so much.